So I finally figured out if anybody else has this problem with a Therasauna. I had to take it all back apart, took the roof back off, unhooked everything. Here's the problem. This piece here isn't cut right from the factory. You can see there are pencil marks, but even though I cut the trim on the roof that was stopping it from being installed, it's still not set up right. And what happens is the radio, when you slide it in, it's not in alignment with this piece back here. So the radio hits and it won't go in. So really the only solution is to rip this entire side on a table saw, which in hindsight would have been a better option, because we've got this gap now and the screw is kind of pulling the piece in and trying to break it off, which isn't good. And the radio doesn't fit because the back piece and the front plate don't not line up together. So this is the problem. Again, I don't know why any of the cables and stuff aren't in the cable hooks. They're in there for a reason, but they're not being used, which would have made it easier to get these out. I don't know what the deal is, but this definitely, rubs me the wrong way. The radio sucks anyway, so you can't even use it because there's such a bad hiss in the system, so I don't really care about this. But in case anybody else comes across this and they don't know how to get the radio installed, because it doesn't fit when you take it out of the box, you have to cut this piece, not the roof trim. So even though it was marked from the factory to be cut, that was wrong, and the whole thing needs to be shifted over. So